Good morning, students. In this video, we will discuss important points of chapter 3. Let us start. First term is forest. What is forest? Forest is an area on the earth where large number of trees are found. Okay? And second term is what are the required conditions of temperature and rainfall to develop forest? For temperature, it is greater than 10 degrees Celsius and rainfall at least 200 mm. Clear it? Next topic is advantages of forest. First advantage is they purify air. Second, they prevent global warming. Third, they are the natural absorber of rainwater. Fourth, they prevent soil erosion. Fifth, they prevent flood. Sixth, they help to bring good rainfall. Seventh, they help to serve as home for many types of animals. Okay. Forest provide number of things which are used by humans like wood and timber, medicines and spices, gums, resins, dyes, special leaves, honey, bamboo, special product. Yes, all of us keep one thing in mind. All terms are familiar to you because we discussed in the previous video. Okay, first we will discuss wood and timber. It is used for making furniture, paper and used as a fuel. Second, medicine and spices. Medicinal plant like amla, ashwagandha, brahmi also grows in forest. Gums, resin and dyes. Gums are used for making adhesives, medicine and food. Resins are used for varnishes and paints. Dyes are used to color paper and cloth. Fourth is special leaves. Here two types of special leaves are discussed. First is areca nut leaves and second is tendu leaves. Areca nut leaves are used to make disposable plate, and tendu leaves, which are green gold of Odisha, are used for wrapping purpose. Clear? Next, fifth is honey. They are used for making cosmetics and medicines. Sixth is bamboo. They are used for making basket, boats, bridge and different types of wooden material. They also used as a food. Seventh is special products like sandalwood, lag and rubber are also obtained from the forest. Clear it? All of us know about this. Next is deforestation. What is deforestation? Deforestation is cutting off trees on large scale. This term we also discussed in the previous video. Next, cause of this deforestation. There are three causes of deforestation. First is human need more land to make forests and industries. Second, they also need wood for construction. And fourth, they need some trees for their specific use, which they cut without planting more trees. Okay. Next topic is harmful effect of deforestation. Here, first effect is decrease in rainfall. Second is increase in global warming. Third is decrease in the level of groundwater. And fourth is increase in soil erosion. Fifth, increase the risk of frequent flood. Sixth is destruction of habitats of large number of plant and animal. Clear it? Next is actions which are taken by government to protect forest. First action is an act was enacted by Indian Parliament. Our Indian Parliament enacted an act in 1980 named as the Forest Conservation Act. According to this act, क्या क्या बोला था इस एक्ट ने? The indiscriminate cutting of trees in forest is a punishable offense. Clear it? And second action, what was the second action taken by the government? Many areas in India have been converted into national parks and wildlife sanctuary to protect the forest and their animal. Okay, here two terms arises: national park and wildlife sanctuary. What is the difference between these two? First is national park. National park is the reserved land which is owned by Indian government, and second, wildlife sanctuary is also a reserve area in which birds and animals are protected from their hunting. Second difference is no human activities are allowed in national park and limited activities are allowed in wildlife sanctuaries. Clear it? Next, third difference is example of national park is Gir National Park, like Gir National Park, and in wildlife and sanctuary we discuss Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Yes, two important points for these examples. First, about national park. Yes, Gir National Park is famous for what? Asiatic lion. And second, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Rajasthan, which is the largest bird sanctuary in Asia, famous for migratory birds like Siberian crane, ibis, barons. Yes, okay. Next, third point is Jim Corbett National Park and Dudhwa National Park is present in the foothills of Himalayas. Clear it? Yes, all of us know that we can also contribute towards forest conservation. By which methods, by which ways we can contribute? First is by minimizing wood and wood products. Second, by not using the wood products that promote destruction of forest, like stop using furs. Second, ornaments which is obtained from animal tusks, etc. Okay. Third is by celebrating the growing of a plant as a festival. This festival is celebrated as Van Mahotsav in many part of the India. And what is Van Mahotsav? Van Mahotsav is a program launched by the Indian government to increase the number of trees in our country. Next is forests are the earth's air purifier and referred as lungs of earth. Why? Why they are referred as lungs of earth? As like our lungs absorb carbon dioxide from the blood and infuse it with oxygen, green plants also absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and in return release oxygen into the atmosphere. Clear it? Yes, I hope all things, yeah, all points are clear to all of you, so that you solve each and every problem of the chapter, like back exercise, question answers, okay, and any other assignments, worksheet. Clear it? So all of you clear your points, clear your doubts from these videos and solve independently. Okay, thank you.